Okay, so earlier I have shown you on how to access for the e-journal and how to search for the database itself. And now I will share with you on how to use the other features in the EBSCOHOST. Okay, there are a few features, which is we focus more on the search results, which you can adjust any categories in the refined results at the last pane of the website, and then you can click by the title. Okay, I will share with you the video on how to find the title shortly. Okay, so there are title, detail record. You can search, okay, you have two options, which is you can browse via HTML full text or PDF full text to view in the PDF format. And also you can, for the PDF view, you have options to download and print the articles or that online database that you have searched for. Okay, and you have also options inside this work to see the issues, full text contents, and choose another related issues. Okay, I will share with you on how to refine the results on the website. All right. So basically, this is the results that I have searched on the previous video, and this is the left pane where you can refine the results. Okay, you can they are limited to full text, magazine, news, academic journals, and everything. Okay, this is the source type. This is the limit. Okay, there are variety of options you can click based. You can also find based on the category, either fictions or classics, computer, and everything. Okay. Okay, so you can just adjust through here. You can also find from the date itself, from the year of publication date. Okay, for example, from 1860 to 2023. So it depends on you on how to refine the types of database that you wanted to search for. And then you can click at the title. For example, I'm choosing this managing from healthy soils. This is actually the ebooks. Okay. Okay. You click here. So okay, so it will be appear like this. So this is the database that you have chosen. Okay, you can find by HTML, full text, or PDF full text. For this one, it also has EPUB full text, or you can have full download. Sorry. Okay, so this is the PDF full text. Okay, it's loading a bit. Okay, for the ebook, you can download chapter by chapter. Okay, so you can have full download here. You can also click print pages for the database that you wanted to search for. And then you can also cite, this is the ebook link. And then you can add to folder, your folder. This is your folder that you have signed in. And you can also export to whatever format that you wanted to export. And you can print the pages that you wanted to print. Okay, so okay, this is the print features where you can print the current pages or select any pages that you wanted to print, and then you can click print PDF. Okay, so I think that's all. If you are still unclear about our on how to use the EBSCOHOST user guide, you can come directly to our KLMUC library, and you can have a guide from our librarian. All right, so that's all from me. Thank you.